2026 is a big year for Albany, marking 200 years since the first European settlement. The bicentenary will focus on Menang Noongar culture, community and history, and will feature major events including the world-first Lighting the Sound installation. Lighting the Sound is an artistic and culturally blended project presented by Form Design and is the largest light installation ever staged on Earth, illuminating Albany's hills and coastline like never before. Over 750 custom LED lights span 12 kilometres of remote coastline for this display, which has been created by Finnish artist Kari Kola. Kari, wow, what a lighting installation. You clearly don't do things in halves. You must have worked closely with the Menang Noongar people to bring this together, is that right?
Yeah, at the beginning, I was thinking about what is the storyline, what are we going to create here? And everything started from the Menang people, actually. The Menang plant, the bloodroot. Can we create a timeline on the project that there's the 200 years of celebration of Albany and the ancient time and also the present time? I founded, of course, the Menang people. I was talking with guides and we founded the plant. I ate it, and then I was thinking that this is the storyline, this is the connection that is connecting the land, the cosmos, the ancient times, 200 years, present times. And I took the colors from the plant to the project. We did lots of environmental surveys. I took 1.5 years to find the right places for towers. I use a certain spectrum of colors that it's not hurting the environment, and of course the positions where the lights are focused. I don't want to leave any markings, hurt anything on this. This is the starting of the process.
The dramatic illumination of the landforms in and around King George Sound, diverting your eyes outward to the life-giving source of the Great Southern Ocean. The focus of so much ancestral, cultural, ecological and historical meaning. Lighting the Sound is focused on reconciliation with the Menang Noongar people and the Menang or bloodroot plant they're named after. This community-owned initiative is focused on tens of thousands of years of unbroken connection and gives the Menang people a chance to tell their story.
At Form, we really exist to drive a vibrant creative economy, but it's for the benefit of Western Australians. So we want to create these amazing experiences that create community cohesion, community pride, and opportunity for us to tell our stories from Western Australia to the world. Importantly, it creates opportunities for local artists, build their capacity, and sends their work globally as well.
What other experiences will we know from Form over WA?
Yeah, so we are behind our big cultural tourism experiences like the silos in the Wheat Belt, the Giants of Mandurah, and excitingly, we have 2 other experiences as part of Balgang Albany. We have Albany Is, which is an immersive audio experience, which will be geolocated according to where you are in the place to tell you a specific story. So check that out around mid-year. And then in November, we have the largest mass participatory event happening with Carrying the Fire. So definitely head to our website at form.net.au to find out more about those.